Okay, I got a new set of lights. New light strip from ONE LIGHT. The previous one, you're watching it right now. The previous one is here. Echo strip, I call it echo strip. Dimmable, I don't care about dimmable. 5 meters full spectrum. This is the, this is the model of the LED. It's a mix of cool and white. See, and this is the color code. 14.4 watts per meter. And CRI 97, could it be? It's actually 97. Nothing on the back, just some address, website. And 24 volts, SMD 2835. So this is maybe the cheap model, the cheap 7835C W. Okay, 24 volts DC. The chips used are SMD 2835, 80 LEDs per meter, 80 LEDs per minute, 80 LEDs per meter, 14.4 watts per meter, IP20, no water resistance. You can cut it every 10 centimeters, 8 LED segments. Supposedly CRI 97, which is great on paper, but we'll see how it looks like. Cut my nails. Okay, so it's 14.4 watts per meter, and the length of the whole thing is 5 meters. So the total wattage of the LED strip is 72 watts in total for all 5 meters. That's not bad. Could be higher or less. Also we have the lumen per meter. Yeah, this is the lumen per meter. 1512. So 1512 times 5, 7560 lumens in total. So these lights I have here, the lights I have here, I think they're 9000 lumens. They're more powerful, but this is LED. This is CRI 97. The ones I have now are CRI 90 plus, which could be anything. I don't know. I don't understand. So you could have it. This one is at 3000 Kelvin color temperature, 24 volts. It needs a 24 volts power supply, constant current, constant voltage. You can even have some wireless options. I don't care about wireless. This is the model. This is the model from the manufacturer. This ONE LIGHT 7835C/W. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what's inside. I did test it in the shop. I asked the guy working there to test it. I wanted to make sure the color looks okay. I compared actually to a strip like this that I already have with this. I compared with a strip like this that I already have with this one, and they're very similar. I could actually put at the end of this video those sample videos I made. They're not very well made, but they seem very similar. But I wanted to try this 97. Oh. So it was open before, but only to test it. For that I need the LED driver also. 24 volts. It could work with 100 watts, but I thought I might use two, take out some of these LEDs and use two strips. 72 watts times 2 is 144. So this is a bit close here, but if I remove a few segments of LEDs, maybe I could get to 140 watts. So it should still work, even like this with two strips, I think. They say it's need to have more headroom, but I'm not sure. I don't use this all the time, so the permanent installation. It's only for making videos, basically. 230 volts, high power from the mains. IP20, not water resistant, and the output is 24 volts, 150 watts. This is how it looks like. That's the driver. I have another one exactly the same. The driver powering these lights is exactly the same, and it's been working really well, actually. It's just the driver inside. Some interesting mounting options. You can mount it on furniture. It's for cabinets, kitchen cabinets, I guess, any place. This is the specifications, 89150 V. This is the model, I think. 85 degrees Celsius should be fine. I don't know these things. All that matters here, you have on this side live, which is the red or brown, neutral, which is the blue, usually could be, I don't know, usually it's blue. Usually it's brown, it's live. Brown, the live is the dangerous one. So the live will be black, brown, red, and the neutral could be even white, blue, mostly blue and brown. So this is the high power side. This goes to the mains. There's no plug, you have to connect these wires individually. And on this side, oh, this is soft here, nice, so it doesn't scratch surfaces. And here you have DC out, plus minus 24 volts. So let's open it. Okay. I'm gonna try. This is the output side, plus minus. So plus goes here, red goes here, minus, black goes here. Just making sure it's all open. And this is the dangerous side. This is the high power side. You should not mess with this. Don't try this at home. Call someone to install this for you. Call an electrician to install this thing for you in the kitchen cabinets or wherever you want to install it. This is dangerous, high power electricity, high voltage, 230 volts. Do not play with this at home. Do not try this at home. and this is the high power side. Live neutral, so brown, blue, like this. Also making sure they are all the way opened. So got a cable from a desk lamp. Hope it still works. Feels a bit scratchy. And I already cleaned the connectors a little bit. I think I have to open them more because I want it to be like this. Catch on this thing, and then yeah. Okay, so I will open them. Yeah, the sleeve should be nice and straight, and I will go all the way to the bottom here. Make sure there is no damages around here from cuts. There should be no cuts here. Okay, if you want to make this bigger, you can use these pliers like that and cut inside. And let's open it. I know you're supposed to use pins for this and not twist it and everything, but I don't have pins, and this is temporary, only to test it. That's why I say you should really call an electrician to do this for you. Do not try this at home. This thing even broke. Okay, because I twisted it, it's hard to pull it out now. Okay. This is the live side, the high power side of the electricity, so you don't want to mess with this thing. Make sure those wires are not missing or cut. I will do something like this. Someone is gonna have a panic attack now. Okay, one side, and then the other side. This is only temporary. Normally you would not twist them like this, spin them. You would put pins here and crimp them on. And you go and buy yourself nice pins and the cheapest crimping machine. Also, this is not going to be used all the time. It's only for when I use these lights. So live neutral. The live is the brown here. So live is brown, neutral is blue usually. Most important is to get the live right. Okay, this one is too coming outside too much. Let's try. Okay, I think we're good. I keep pressing on it. There's some wires here. Yeah. Okay, let's try now. Yeah, making sure that they caught on not below here, because they could go under there. That's a really bad thing. Don't make them go under, they should go above and catch, so they don't, you try to pull it and it doesn't come out. And now have this, these are the same. Yeah. And now I have to put some tape around it to keep it there in position. Okay, I will remove it. Okay, they're made flat. They are made flat like this inside the terminals. It's not good to use them on these multi-strand wires, but that's what I have now to test it. So the tape goes all around here. So it goes in there. I think we're good. Yeah, I even put too much. Oh no. Okay, this time I'm trying them without screwing the screws in. Okay, very good. So I removed a bit of the tape. Checking this stuff, making sure it's all nice and clean. Might have to cut them again, or maybe no. Okay, I think this is the way. Nothing, no wire is exposed, even inside. So it's good. I hold this connector a bit when I tighten them because it's a bit brittly. Okay, so now this cover goes on top. Putting the bite marks here, so trying to make sure the wires are not damaged. Looks okay. Where can I put it there? It's so difficult. Okay, there's secure connection here, mechanical safety, it's not moving anywhere, and now we go to the other side. So this time it's time to finally open the package and see what's inside the package. This CRI 97 light. This is the model number. This brand. I think really this is just a Chinese made LED strip, rebranded as this. It's like a generic name, but they rebranded it, so that's interesting to find out which supplier is doing this for them. 14.4 watts per meter, 24 volts, DC 80 LEDs per meter, 3000 Kelvin color temperature. And this is their item code ONE LIGHT 7835CW. W I think is for the color of the light. Color of the light white. Let's see. Oh, it even has instructions. Wow. And a silica gel inside. This bag is pretty nice actually, anti-static. It's anti-static, so I might keep it. I might keep this bag for something else. Smells like those mobile phone electronics. Always nice to have the stuff. Yeah, don't eat this. This is good to keep your important things dry, but don't eat it. And we have the instructions. You can also find this as a PDF. I found it on their website. Installation instructions. Yeah, make sure the red and black is to positive and negative. Cut every 10 centimeters and solder it in. It's being soldered. That's all. And the lights itself. What's interesting, this one light, they always have this red backing tape here, and this red tape is very strong. From the previous lights, it was really strong. When I installed it, it was very, very strong. The same code there. So let's see the LED lights. How they look like. Okay, this is how the LED strips looks like. So you have LED resistor, which is the code. I can't see the code. 180. Code written on the resistor is 180. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 LEDs on one segment, and here you can cut it. And it keeps repeating. It keeps going like this. You can cut it every 10 centimeters. So I will open this and connect it to the power supply. Let's see. Okay, I want to try the power supply by itself alone to make sure there is no sparkles first, and then I'll get back to it. So let's try the sparkles test. Okay, now it's unplugged. So making sure these wires, one end of the wires, it's not touching each other. Nice and far away from everything. Trying to keep it like a ring or something, I don't know. And red goes to positive, black goes to negative. So I'll put them. Yeah, the power is disconnected now, just in case you're wondering. The cable is unplugged. The cable is unplugged from the power, and you see they're up on the upside. Okay, so now I will plug it in again, making sure this end is not touching anything, not even the actual LED strip. So let's see. These are the lights with auto white balance, and I will plug in now, turn off the main lights. Forgot the switch. I will turn off the main lights now again. I will turn off the lights now. Oh, it's really like golden. Yeah, they are powerful, but not as powerful as I would imagine. I just want to see if they get hot, really. Okay, try again. They get a bit warm, but not like some crazy amount. And if I start now the main lights also, yeah, those are more bright, but it could be just because they are arranged in the panel already. So I will make the same like here, and made out of those ones. No, I think they are bright enough. I think they get brighter while I'm... It looks to me like they are getting brighter and brighter. I'm not getting... it gets hot here. It's hot here. Yeah. They do get a bit hot, so they should be on the aluminum profile. Okay, let's try them on the profile. Just as a test, I put my hand here. I can set custom color temperature. Okay, the color temperature is set manually now to 3000 Kelvin, exactly as they are. This is a screwdriver in my hand. Yeah, they look interesting. I like them. Okay, 3000 Kelvin. I might buy another one. Okay, so to turn them off, look how they turn off. Gradually. Interesting. I think it's the power supply doing this. Or is this phosphor? I don't know. Turn them on. Off. On. Off. On. Off. They're really powerful. They really are powerful.